Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel ExcelVBA Expert. In today's video, we are going to create a one data consolidation tool which will help us to consolidate the any kind of data. So it will, when you will download this project and you want to consolidate your data, for example that you have more than 10 workbooks and you want to consolidate all those 10 workbooks into one single sheet with file name, so that can that will be helpful for you, that which data belongs to which file, right? So when you have such a condition, that how you can do that and how you can make such an automation, and that's what actually we are going to create. So here I have given the condition that here headers that you have to paste, what are the headers that you have in your all the files. So for example, you have these headers, okay, constant this header that you have in each file. I just pasted. So in the one single workbook, for example, here in this path which I already copy and pasted here, this is the folder path. I already pasted my path, and the header in my each workbook is same. So what I have done is simple. I just copy this header and I simply pasted here in the transform form. And now what I want, when I want to click, when I will click on this button, it should, automatically go in this folder and open each and every workbook, and it will keep on consolidating the data one by one with the file name. That's what actually I'm looking for. So let's start. Okay, how you can write it and what are the codes that you need to write in the VBA. So let's do it. Okay, Alt F11. Already I have added the module. I will write my code in the option explicit mode. Let's start. Sub procedure data consolidation tool. So live I am writing in your in front of you guys. So here nothing is pre-prepared. Let's do it together. So let's declare the two variables. So we can do in a two way, right? So let's do it, by a file system object library. So what you need to do, you need to go in the tools, go in the reference. So here, enable one library which will be Microsoft scripting runtime. Here you will be able to see, go a little down here, Microsoft scripting runtime. Okay, click on OK. After that, declare the variable dim file system object as new file system object, folder as folder, f1 as file, dim wkb as workbook, k as an integer, sh as a worksheet, sh1 as a worksheet. So these are the variable you declare. So now let's sh, in the sh what sheet I would like to add here. So the sheet name I do have execution center. I will just copy and paste it here. And the one more same variable I declare by the name of sh1, where I will be writing my sheet name as data, where I will be having my output. Simple. And next, set folder fso.get folder. So folder path we already have in which file, in b5, right? Simple, right? sh.range b5 dot value. Okay, and after that let's start run the loop for each f1 in folder dot files, next f1. Before doing this, so what we need to do, we need to simple copy this and copy, and first we need to clean the data tab. So for it, so right here sh.useRange clear. Okay, and after, not sh1, and sh.range, okay, from a11 to the header. So here it will be dynamic cells rows dot count a dot and excelup dot row dot copy. Okay, after copy, what you can do, let's paste it sh1 range in the b1, because in the a1 the header will be the file name. Okay, so the paste special all, it will be transposed true, or in sh1 range a1 dot value, it should be file name, sorry, file name. Okay, and after that what you can do, okay, now let's start copying the data. So what I would like to have, header I already pasted. So simple, what you need to do, that is very simple. The tricky part only will be that when it will come about, to printing the file name. So let's do it, then we will solve it together. So let's open each file, set wkb workbooks dot open, and file path will be here. We open it. Now simply range a1 dot current region, and I want to exclude the header, so offset 1 comma 0 dot copy. And after that sh1 range b 10 lakh 40,570. I would like to go up. For example, I'm coming here, I'm going on the bottom and I'm going up, and whatever will be the selection, go one step down and then paste it here. So dot and excel up dot offset 1 comma 0, paste special all. Okay, then simple close it. Application dot display alerts wkb dot close, don't save it. Okay, simple. This is what I have done so far. Message box done, but still the one thing which we have not done so far, okay, by which is the printing the name. Let's save it first. Okay, so let me save it. Where I can save, I can save here by the name of whatever I would like to. So data consolidation, dynamic consolidation, consolidation tool. Okay, save it in the binary. Let's save it. Now let's assign the macro. Right click, assign macro, data consolidation tool. We have assigned. Now save it, and now let's press this button. Now let's see how it is working. Yeah, look, it is absolutely working. Fantastic. But here still the task is still remain, which is, you look, the data is absolutely, you look, data is correct. Okay, data we have consolidated, but a1, in the a1 I would like to have the name of the file. So that part how we can do, that is a tricky one, guys. So simple alt f11, here you have to play one game. So not a play game, simple. After that, when you copy it, so before doing that, come here. Okay, and now what you need to do, instead of b, come in a. Okay, and after that, what you need to do, you have to not paste dot value, will be file dot name. Okay, on the top. And now once you pasted the data, okay, once you pasted the data, now what you have to do, again you need to go, okay, here. Then don't need to do it. So simply what I'm doing, guys, I'm telling you, for example, here we have data. So already I printed here file name 1, file 1. Okay, once my data is still here, so what I would like to go, I will look to again go, toward, down to the b column, and I will go up, will go left, and will select all it and control d. That's what is the plan to do it. Okay, so let's do it. So dot and excel up offset 0 comma minus 1 dot select. After that, write a range selection dot and excel up dot fill down. That's it. Now let's do it. sh1 dot select. Let's see, is it really working or not. Control S, press this button. Still the problem is here. Here we have to also activate this workbook. This workbook dot activate. Now let's press F5. It seems it's working, but let's see. Great, guys, it's working. April.xlx, how many records? Study file. Let's cross check. April 36. April here. How many records is there? Look, 35 and 35. Amazing. It is working fine. So let's make it more fast. Okay, by disabling the screen updating. Okay, so that it will take less time. Okay, and make it here as true. Control S. Click here. You look. It will be not taking much time now. You look how soon it has done. So this is fantastic, guys. This is completely dynamic. You just need to paste your header and click this button, and give the path where you have a file. It will work absolutely good for you guys, that is for sure. Okay, thank you so much everyone for watching the video. Thanks a lot. I will be attaching this file in the description box. From there you guys can download it for your practice. Thank you so much everyone.